Henan Agrismartlink. MFG Machinery Company is based on the forefront of China's agricultural technology upgrading and is a modern, comprehensive solution provider for organic fertilizer equipment that integrates research and development, intelligent manufacturing, sales, and service. The factory is located in Xinjiang, Guangzhou, and has built a modern manufacturing base of 12,000 square meters. Our main products include fertilizer, granulation equipment, crushing equipment, mixing equipment, drying equipment, screening equipment, fermentation equipment, supporting equipment, etc. We have many years of production and research experience and have accumulated a large number of patented technologies. We have a professional sales and engineering team dedicated to developing fertilizer production lines of various scales, providing customized solutions, pre-sales consulting services, on-site installation, and after-sales service support to ensure that our customers can operate smoothly. The company deeply integrates intelligent equipment technology with the concept of green circular agriculture, builds a complete intelligent production line from raw material processing to finished product packaging, and is committed to becoming an important promoter of global sustainable agricultural development.